And Fudgynut.
And today we're gonna do
A Nerf gun battle.
Hope you guys enjoy.
Hope you enjoy.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Oh! Okay, next shot. Oh, okay.
You are one strong Pepsi bottle.
Yeah. Gotta load it. Nope.
You are one strong cranberry bottle. Did it. And the final shot. Let's do this.
Nothing. Nothing.
This is one strong cranberry bottle.
Okay, how long is it gonna take him to shoot that? Okay. Like 10 shots.
Let's do this. Okay. This is Fudgynut and let's do this. Okay, first shot. Okay, 1. What a shot. Fail. Where did that bullet go?
I can see it. It's like
It went all the way over there.
come back.
Okay.
To me. Okay.
Die, milk bottle. Dun dun dun.
Should I shoot like that?
I don't really care. And the Pepsi bottle is down.
This is gonna be like 4 shots.
No! Miss! Again. The bullet. The bullet. The bullet. Can Fudgynut do this?
No!
He misses. This cranberry bottle is really hard.
I'm gonna try that from the back.
Fail.
Fail. Okay, last shot. Okay, last shot. Not really. Really? Okay, I'm gonna shoot it.
It shook a little.
I'm gonna shoot it.
It shook a little.
It shook a little.
I'm gonna shoot it side on.
Okay, this is one indestructible. This is an indestructible cranberry bottle.
Right, cranberry bottle.
Yeah. Let's do this.
Wait, before I do this, the next go, I'm gonna do this.
Fail.
Oh, that didn't do anything. Whoa. Okay, I'm getting Joel.
This is super indestructible. This cranberry juice
bottle.
Yeah.
Get Joel wheeled.
Okay, let's do a side-on view of this.
2 bullets at the same time. How did that not do anything?
He misses.
Again.
You fail. That doesn't count. That doesn't count. The ski wins. Woo!